One new Fortworth CS-450C horizontal and vertical milling machine made in Taiwan, weighing 6,000 pounds, featuring a 59-inch by 12-inch table, 41 inches of longitudinal travel, 12.5 inches of cross travel, 18.5 inches of vertical travel, 40 taper in horizontal and vertical spindle. The vertical head is single swivel and has a 5 horsepower motor with an infinitely variable speeds from 0 to 4,000 RPM via AC inverter and controlled conveniently by a potentiometer on the pendant. The vertical head also has a 4.5-inch diameter power quill, complete with 3 automatic feeds with adjustable stops. The quill can also be moved manually. The horizontal spindle is driven by a 5 horsepower motor with infinitely variable speeds from 0 to 1700 RPM, also controlled from the pendant. Power and rapid travel on X, Y, and Z axis through a mechanical gearbox. Electrics are 223 phase that are certified to CSA SPE 1000. Climb milling dial to remove backlash. Harden and ground boxways on Y and Z axis. Automatic lubrication on X, Y, and Z axis. Protective bellows on cross slide. Coolant system with trip tray. Complete with air-powered automatic drawbar for vertical spindle. Three-axis Sino digital readout. Two arbor supports complete with 40 taper arbor. Jacking screws and pucks. Halogen light.